I'm Joshua Angel, a passionate artist and future educator, and this is my journey through the world of art. Ever since I was a child, I loved drawing on my notes. I've always been drawn to anything creative, from painting to crafting. My first memory of color mixing was in kindergarten, combining red and blue to make violet. As I progressed through school, I explored color mixing techniques and began drawing celebrity portraits in 2018. Classmates often asked me to help with their art activities. It was then I realized this passion was something special.
Bitin ba? Hit the subscribe button para ipagpatuloy ang video na ito. Okay na ito, tinatawad na akong mag-edit. Bye!